last time ever street driving the car, did you? No. So I just pulled up to Urbandale Speedway. It's about a 45-minute drive, so I'm gonna let my car cool down for a little bit, let it run with the fans on. I need to cool down for a little bit because I'm sweating because it's so hot in here. I just came over here today because I fixed my blow-off valve last night, and I think that my car is driving smoother than it ever really has. So I would like to get a couple test runs in, just see what's going on, feel the car out, stuff like that. The Hoonigan guys said that it was cool for me to come over, bring my car, hang out for the day, and then once the person's done and they're done filming, they said I can test my car, so we're here. I'm excited to redeem myself a little bit at this lot because every time that I've been here, there has been some kind of car issue. So it probably wasn't the smartest for me to bring this car here right away, but we'll be fine.
Later.
Alright, you guys, so I'm here at Hoonigan. Like I told you, they took care of all their filming they needed to do for the day, so they're gonna really shred a little bit, test my car out. Like I said, fixed the blow-off valve last night, so I just really want to see if the car is more predictable to drive, and I want to see if it's going to be a little bit easier for me to drive than it was before, because with this new blow-off valve, when we put the washers in the blow-off valve, honestly, it feels so much better, and I don't think that the car has been spiking into boost anymore, so I really just want to test that out, see how it feels, and I don't want to go all the way to Willow and have something go wrong. So they told me that I could just test it here at the burn yard, so that's what we're going to do. Hopefully it goes well. Because I didn't even see that.
I saw some going on the ground.
I'm gonna turn it off and see it. I turned my fans on. They're not doing anything all of a sudden.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you, but
I didn't even hear you. I turned them on the whole time. Shoot.
that is it. Shut it out.
Yeah, and it popped out.
Oh, right? It just came off.
So this right there?
That's
cool.
No.
Oh, awesome.
Prosper. At least we got enough bottled water.
That's amazing.
But probably never really got that high.
No, it really, yeah.
210 is okay.
Yeah. Like, I seen the JZ's push like 220, 225.
So it's like that.
The hose back there popped off.
Oh.
Yeah. Dan, you're the man. Narina also has the plan. And you have actual, you just have this in the back.
Yeah.
You just have it in the back of your car.
Whoop, it came out quick.
Yeah, it did come out.
Some bottles deep here.
Yeah, quite a few.
Not really much we can do there, dude.
Nah. I'm sure I can call one of my buddies with a trailer and have them come and get it. Sorry. Dude, it felt freaking amazing.
I was like, dang, it sounds awesome. It feels really good. It's real planted.
Yeah, it feels way better than it ever
staring
has.
at you the whole time.
Did you?
I smelled it and then I looked at the gauges. I was like, it's getting warm. And I was like, hey, stop. What? Yeah, what? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm fucking sick.
I'm fucking sick, yeah.
Yeah, it rules.
Everybody is pushing me right now.
Push.
Sorry. Yeah, it's welded now. So, blowing hoses off seems to be like a trend for me right now. I'm not really sure why. I just keep blowing hoses off of my engine every 5 seconds. So, what happened today, as you can see, the coolant hose attached to the head of my engine blew off closest to the firewall. So that sucks because it poured all of my coolant out and I can't drive my car like that. And I street drove over here, so now I have to get a buddy to come and tow me home. So I'm gonna leave my car here for a little bit, see if I can find somebody to tow me home, and don't know that I'm gonna go to the track again this week like I wanted to, but that's okay. The car honestly felt better than ever after I fixed the blow-off valve, so that's what was the most important. The car feels so much better, so much more predictable. I'm honestly so stoked on how the car drives, and I couldn't be any happier, so it's fine. I'm not that worried about it. I will fix that, and I will get back out there. Bye. All right, so I had to rush out of here. I actually didn't even get to see what actually happened because I had my sunglasses on and I couldn't see anything. But it looks like, did Dan put this back on or what? Oh, I see. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. So this fitting right here that has the JB weld on it, it looks like either the JB weld isn't holding up anymore or like the fitting actually snapped. Hopefully it's just a JB weld that's not holding up anymore, but I'm gonna leave that plugged in there so that I could potentially move the car onto the trailer instead of having to push it on the trailer with the welded diff. So I'm gonna leave that like that for now, and I will see what I can do about that more tomorrow. And I'm home. I actually had a buddy of mine come and pick me up from Urbandale Speedway last night. It was like 9:45 when he got there. Urbandale closes at 10. A recap on yesterday, I was driving the car at the burn yard and it felt better than it ever has. The power band was way smoother because we fixed the blow-off valve and upped the boost a little bit. What happened yesterday is there is a fitting in the head of the block. Usually it's a metal fitting. That fitting is attached to a coolant hose. So basically what happened was once the fitting popped out, all of my coolant dumped out from the back of the engine. So that wasn't good. I obviously couldn't street drive the car home like that. That's why I had somebody come and pick me up last night. So what my plan for today is to try to put that fitting back in the hole that it belongs in.